Welcome back students in Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes, class 5th, EVS part 1, chapter number 13, methods of preserving food. Today we are going to discuss methods of food preservation. There are different types of method to preservation, but the most used drying, cooling, boiling, placing in airtight cans. Drying. When we dry foodstuffs, the water content is lost. This method is used to preserve foodstuffs like papads, kurdish, sandge, wheat, dals, etc. Mostly this method farmer using to dry their food grains. And we also use this method cooling. When food is placed in the refrigerator, microorganisms do not get the warmth they need for growth. Boiling. When foodstuffs are boiled, the microorganisms in the get destroyed and this food stay good condition for longer. Placing in airtight cans. When foodstuffs are preserved in the airtight containers, the microorganisms are first destroyed and it is ensured that water or air will not enter the foodstuff. It means that to preserve foodstuff, the microorganisms in them should be destroyed. Also, they must be placed in condition in which microorganisms will not grow again. That means different types of preserving method now we are using to keep food safe. What we learn from, do you know students which of the variety of the taste of our foods is due to spices? Every spice has a different flavor or taste. They have strong taste and flavors and are therefore used in very small quantity. Spices can be dried and stored for a long time. They can be mixed and powdered to make many different masalas. Different spices are obtained from the specific part of different plants. Student, mostly we are store the spices for whole years. So different spices have different taste, flavor, its taste and flavor so strong. But these spices we obtain from the different parts of plants. Always remember, when buying food or sealed bags or box, make sure you check the expiry date printed on it. While we are purchasing something, foodstuffs or whatever, you need to see the expiry date on this packet. What we learn from this lesson, if pickles, jams, papad, etc. are made in the right season, they can be enjoyed for the whole year. If air, water and warmth are available, microorganisms grow rapidly in foodstuffs. Some microorganisms cause the foodstuff to get spoiled. Drying, cooling, boiling and canning foodstuffs as also adding preservatives to them are the different methods of preserving food. I hope students you understood this lesson here. Tomorrow we will solve the exercise of this lesson. Thank you. Have a good day.